JD Cap 26, tips, repairs, and hobbies. And we got a box here from, that's right, Spraygunner. Let's see what's in it. Let's open it up. Take a while to open here. What did I drop? Huh. Screw. I don't know where that came from. And we got popcorn. Let's see. Oh, got a Grex air hose, my air compressor. And oh, look at this. Cool. Spaygunner stickers. Now, isn't that cool? This one's the $2 one. This one's the free one. And the order. Let's see what else. Of course, you guys, you know, my compressor is on the fritz, but this air hose is for the other compressor. Hopefully it'll work. I don't know. I'm going to use the other one just for spraying and sealing models. But this is the extra one. This is a good deal. Look on Spaygunner for one of these. The other one, the green one's about 19 bucks. Let's see if we can do this without getting popcorn everywhere. I don't think we can. Hang on. And we saved the popcorn for later. We'll melt some butter and have that. And we got a Grex compressor. Much needed compressor. Oops, a model there. Let's open it up. Very well packed from Grex. And very well packed. Got an insert for the compressor. And looks like it's got a handle here. And oh, it comes with a hose. Look at that. Get an extra hose. And instructions. Let's get the instructions out. And let's look at the box here. Okay. Box down here. Take it out of here. Here's my new compressor. Excited. Got a handle, goes up and down. And air regulator. Oh, that's a pretty good one. And a thing to hold the your airbrush. So let's undo the cord here. The cord is pretty good thickness. Then we got to put an adapter on. Okay. Usually plug this directly into the wall, the 3-prong, but I have an adapter, and I always turn my compressors off when I'm done with them. So we're going to plug the adapter in, and we got a connection over here. We're going to plug into. And let's see. Got to get this out. Good bag, we'll save the bag. This is about a 6-foot hose, and it's the front of the machine. You want to put some tape on the front of this. Get some plumber's tape, or I could use anaerobic 451 Loctite. It's anaerobic is for pipe threadings of this for pressure, and put the hose on here. I'm going to go to the right, tighten it up. Hope you can see this. Got a good shot of the gauge. And look at this end. Get my airbrush. And I gotta get the other MAC valve off of this. Right here. Take that off. This is the MAC valve. Controls the airflow. And you just want to twist it on there. Like so. Nice and tight. This is 1/8 to 1/8, by the way, this fitting. So the MAC valve goes 1/8 and it goes in like that. And you adjust it in and out for your airflow. It's about half. This is 1/8. And then you just click in like that. So let's turn it on. Maiden voyage. Let's sew that down. It gives really good airflow. Very responsive. No chatter. Goes off. I was thinking about putting a tank on this, and I don't know if I can. I think it's the measurement between here and here for the tanks is smaller than a regular compressor, because this is 1/8, and I think they use a 1/5 on the tanks. But we want to adjust this pressure, so let me put the glasses on, put it on, and lower it to about 25 psi and lock it in. Very good. When you run your compressor, you want to do a piece, and you don't want to go too long. Start to feel your side of your compressor. This is nice and cool because it just came in from the outside. It's like 30 degrees out. Anyway, feel the side of your compressor. If it starts to feel very warm to the touch, I suggest you turn off and postpone spraying. Do one part at a time when you're spraying, and don't go too long with your compressor. It's a very good compressor. If you do that, it'll last pretty long. And this is the release for the down here for the I don't know how it works, but it's release for the air. It's got a valve here to release for any moisture trap. Moisture trap down here. I'll have to read up on it. How to release it. That's the Grex compressor from Spaygunner. And Spraygunner has very good customer service. You just call them down there, or you email them, or look on their site, and they'll take care of you. So, my review of this is done. Hope you have a great day. Show you the other side. Oh, this is pretty heavy compressor. Wow. And there's the what do you call it, holder for your airbrush. You can also put a holder up here. It's got a nut, and you can get one of those brackets. Spaygunner carries them, and you just loosen this off, and you put a bracket. I've got a bracket over there. I'm going to switch it over with. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Rate, subscribe, ring notification bell. And if you want to know where Spraygunner is, look at my playlist. You're in my playlist of channels to the right of the main board. And you have a great day. Bye for now.